Some Osceola County residents displaced from their homes by Hurricane Ian have been living in hotels for nearly 3 weeks now.
WESH 2's Megan Mulatto continues our team coverage live from one of those hotels where a lot of people are staying. Megan, you spoke with some of them. What are they saying right now?
Yeah, the majority of people staying here at the Red Lion Hotel in Kissimmee say they are displaced from Good Samaritan Village, which is still under a mandatory evacuation notice. Some of them tell us they're waiting for that notice to be lifted so they can return back to their homes, but others tell us because of the significant damage caused by that flooding, they don't have a home to go back to.
I'm devastated. I'm devastated. We don't know where we're going to go because we live on Social Security and the rents are ridiculous.
Luann Bishop and her partner Maureen moved into Good Samaritan Village about 3 months before Hurricane Ian caused record-breaking water levels.
We lost all our furniture. We lost most of our clothes. We lost all pictures, all my pictures through the years. My grandchildren, my children, my parents, all those pictures are gone.
Bishop says before they moved in, they brought their concerns about the neighborhood's history of flooding to management and that they were told the issues were repaired.
We had a beautiful apartment. It was brand new. They just refurbished it, new appliances, new rugs. We were so excited and starting to really enjoy where we were. And it was all we could afford. And they, the people, the neighbors, they're wonderful. Everything was wonderful. But they literally lied to us.
Rich Ryder, who's the new pastor at Good Samaritan Community Church, says he and his wife also didn't live in the community long before the hurricane hit.
We moved in the latter part of August, and we came from Columbus, Ohio. And we just came to this place because we felt this is where the Lord was wanting us to be at this time of our lives.
He says they're thankful their home and the church only sustained minor damage and are now waiting for the mandatory evacuation to be lifted so they can return.
This is a part of what we're experiencing now, along with other residents at Good Samaritan Village, too.
At our age, how do you start over? How do you start over?
Now, we reached out to officials with Good Samaritan Village regarding Bishop's claims. They responded in a statement saying all independent living residents are provided with comprehensive information about flood and hurricane preparation and are encouraged to obtain appropriate renter's insurance to cover such occurrences. Now, for now, those that are staying here at the Red Lion are waiting for assistance from FEMA. Some are starting their search for a new place to call home. We're live in Kissimmee. Megan Mulatto, WESH 2 News.